Hi, in this video I will present you the proposal for a controller for the open source ventilator that I've designed using the Arduino system, and so that controls the whole machine, and it's made using an Arduino Nano. It uses this keyboard and display. So it's got LEDs on top, 8 character display, and 8 buttons. We won't use all the buttons. The sensor is a Bosch sensor tech. It's the BME280. It measures temperature, humidity, and most importantly, pressure. Then you have a step stick that is a stepper motor controller, and a little power supply so that the high voltage that's needed for the motor does not interfere with the controller. So the software is kind of completely written. It includes the user interface, the control for the sensor, the motor. It can store the data in the flash memory. So let's see a bit how it works. So I reset it. So it starts, open source ventilator. And here you have, so it tells you that you can start the machine with this button. It displays 3 data. The first data is the breath rate. So currently it's set at 24 per minute. Then you have the volume, it's in liter. So you have 1 liter. Here you have the pressure that will be used to limit the motor movement, to avoid having too much high pressure on the air that's delivered to the patient. So let's start it. So it does this movement. The movement amplitude and speed depends on the parameter that we've seen previously, and we can change them on the fly. So for example here, so we set the speed. So you have these 2 buttons for the menu. These 2 buttons are for the value. So you change the rate. We'll go at 30. So you see it goes a bit faster now. And then we can change the volume. So it's 1 liter. Let's say we make it a little bit less. 0.5. So gradually it will lower the volume until we reach the value that is needed. So if you let it for too long, it returns to the main menu and you have to go again. So here you can adjust the pressure too. So 3.5, 4, 4.5. It's in kilopascal. So here it is now. And once you have set all the parameters, you can save the setup so that when you restart the machine, it will use these values from the start. One interesting point is it allows you to have the machine that starts and immediately starts ventilating. So it depends if it's running or not at the time where you save the data. Let's save it now. Save setup, yes. So that's it. The software is available as GPL version 3 software. It will be made available on GitHub, and sincerely I hope that it will be useful in this project. Thanks.